Hey, welcome back. It's Jordan and Carla.
And we're here as always to break down the latest updates and give you the news that matters most.
Absolutely. And today, I've got some really exciting good news to share with you. October 3rd, 2025 is bringing some of the most important financial updates of the year for millions of Americans.
Wait, you're talking about Social Security, right? I heard payments are going up, but there's also a stimulus alert coming?
Exactly. Social Security payments are set to rise, and at the same time, a huge stimulus alert is expected to hit 10 states. That could mean extra money in people's pockets sooner than they might think.
Wow, that's huge. So, this isn't just a routine update.
Not at all. These are carefully calculated adjustments that could impact your monthly budget, bills, and overall financial planning for the rest of the year. And for those in the 10 highlighted states, this update is even more significant.
So how do people know if they're on that list of 10 states?
Great question. The Social Security Administration highlights these states based on factors like the number of recipients, average income levels, and local cost of living. So, if you're in one of these areas, the increase could make a noticeable difference in covering essentials like rent, groceries, or health care. And when you combine that with the stimulus alert, the effect is multiplied.
That makes sense. And I guess for seniors and retirees, this can be a real game changer?
Absolutely. Even a modest Social Security increase helps, but when paired with a stimulus check, it allows for better financial flexibility. People can catch up on bills, reduce debt, or even save for emergencies.
I love that. But what about timing? When will these payments and stimulus checks actually hit?
They're synchronized to arrive in early October, right around the 3rd. That's why planning ahead is key. Financial experts suggest using the Social Security increase for recurring expenses first and the stimulus for one-time bills or debt reduction. This way, recipients maximize the impact.
So basically, this is a double boost in 1 month. That's incredible news for households in these states.
Exactly. And while not everyone will get the same amount and eligibility for the stimulus varies, the important thing is to check your Social Security account or statement to know exactly what you'll receive. Being proactive ensures no one misses out on these benefits.
Got it. So for our viewers, if you live in one of these 10 states, keep a close eye on your accounts because this could really change your October finances.
Yes, and in the rest of this video, I'm going to break down the details for everyone. Why these states were selected, how to plan your finances, and exactly what steps you should take to make the most of this October 3rd update. The October 2025 Social Security increase is part of the annual cost of living adjustment that the Social Security Administration issues to ensure benefits keep pace with inflation. While these adjustments are expected each year, the 2025 update is particularly significant because it affects not just the national average but highlights 10 states where the increase will be most impactful. These states were selected based on several factors, including the number of Social Security recipients, average income levels, and the local cost of living. For residents in these states, this increase can mean more than just a few extra dollars. It can provide meaningful relief that helps cover everyday essentials like rent, utilities, health care, and groceries. For some, it could even allow them to pay off debt or save for emergencies. Simultaneously, the government has issued a huge stimulus alert that coincides with this Social Security update. Unlike previous stimulus measures that were rolled out over weeks or months, this alert is synchronized to give immediate financial relief to households in the targeted states. The combined effect of a Social Security rise and a stimulus check is rare and has many people excited because it allows for both stability and flexibility. For retirees, seniors, and families who rely on fixed incomes, this is not just an increase. It is a chance to breathe easier and manage expenses more effectively. Financial advisors are already advising recipients to plan ahead to make the most of these payments, as careful budgeting could turn this dual financial boost into a real opportunity to improve financial security. For those wondering why only 10 states are highlighted, it is important to understand the selection criteria. States with higher concentrations of Social Security recipients, combined with specific local economic factors, are more likely to see larger increases. Some of these states have historically provided lower average benefits, and the government's approach is designed to give more meaningful relief to those most in need. This means that residents in these 10 states are likely to notice a bigger impact on their monthly budgets compared to other states. For anyone living in these areas, It is essential to check your Social Security account or statement to confirm your eligibility and understand exactly how much you will receive. Social Security represents a lifeline for millions, especially seniors and retirees who rely on it for day-to-day expenses. Even a modest increase can have a profound impact on their ability to cover essential costs. When combined with a stimulus check, the effect is multiplied. The stimulus alert is timed perfectly to complement the Social Security increase, giving households the ability to pay bills, reduce debt, and cover healthcare costs without waiting months for relief. For many families, this is more than just good news. It is a meaningful financial opportunity that can improve quality of life.
Preparation is key to making the most of this dual boost. Understanding the exact timing of payments, the amount you will receive, and how to allocate the extra funds is critical. Many financial experts suggest using the Social Security increase to cover recurring expenses first, such as utilities, rent, or groceries, while applying the stimulus check to one-time expenses or debt reduction. This approach ensures that the extra money has the greatest impact. Some seniors are using these funds to pay medical bills, prescriptions, or other healthcare-related costs that may have been postponed. Others are using the money to top up savings accounts, providing a cushion against unexpected emergencies. The combination of Social Security and stimulus funds provides flexibility that can help recipients address both immediate and long-term financial needs. For residents of the 10 highlighted states, this update has even more significance. These states were chosen because of the potential for the increase to make a tangible difference in the lives of residents. The simultaneous distribution of the Social Security increase and stimulus check ensures that the impact is immediate, allowing recipients to plan their finances with certainty. Financial planners are recommending that recipients take a careful look at their budgets, consider upcoming expenses, and think strategically about how to use the extra funds, whether it is paying down debt, covering healthcare costs, or simply having extra money for daily needs. Planning ahead ensures the best possible outcome.
The economic ripple effect of these payments is also worth considering. When Social Security payments rise, recipients often spend more in their local communities, benefiting small businesses and local economies. Similarly, stimulus checks are intended to circulate quickly, giving a short-term boost to demand for goods and services. In this way, the increase in Social Security and the stimulus alert not only benefit individuals directly, but also provide indirect benefits to the communities they live in. This dual effect strengthens both personal financial security and local economic activity, creating a positive impact on multiple levels. It's important to note that while this news is exciting, not everyone will receive the same increase or be eligible for the stimulus check. That is why checking official resources and confirming eligibility is crucial. Recipients should review their Social Security statements or log into their online accounts to verify the exact amount they will receive. Being proactive ensures that you do not miss out on any part of these benefits, and it helps prevent confusion or delays when payments are issued. Taking these steps now can save time and stress later, making the financial boost even more effective. Another important aspect of this October update is the broader context of rising living costs. Many seniors and retirees face financial challenges due to inflation, healthcare expenses, and other unexpected costs. Even small increases in Social Security payments can help offset these pressures. When combined with the stimulus check, the effect is even more powerful, providing both immediate relief and an opportunity to strengthen long-term financial stability. For households managing tight budgets, these combined payments can make the difference between covering essential expenses and struggling to make ends meet. For families and individuals in the 10 highlighted states, the timing of this update could not be better. October is a month when many bills come due, from utility payments to insurance premiums, and having extra funds available provides a much-needed buffer. Some recipients may choose to allocate a portion of the funds toward essentials while setting aside the rest for emergencies or savings. Others may use the extra money for discretionary spending, such as paying off debt or making small home improvements. Regardless of how the funds are used, the important point is that recipients have more control over their finances thanks to this update. The combined Social Security increase and stimulus alert also offer an opportunity for education and financial planning. Recipients can take this chance to review their overall budget, evaluate spending habits, and consider long-term goals. For example, Setting aside a portion of the funds for retirement savings or unexpected medical expenses can have a lasting impact. Financial advisors recommend that recipients think strategically, using the extra money not just for short-term needs, but also to improve long-term financial security. This approach maximizes the benefits of the October 3rd update and ensures that the impact is sustained over time. Ultimately, this update is a reminder of the importance of staying informed. Social Security changes and stimulus alerts can be easy to overlook, but they have real consequences for financial well-being. By understanding which states are receiving the most significant impact, confirming eligibility, and planning ahead, recipients can make the most of these opportunities. Whether it's covering essential expenses, reducing debt, or simply feeling more secure financially, this October update represents a meaningful change for millions of Americans. October 3rd, 2025, is shaping up to be a landmark day for Social Security recipients in the 10 highlighted states. The combination of a Social Security rise and a huge stimulus alert provides both immediate financial relief and long-term stability. By staying proactive, checking eligibility, and planning how to use the additional funds, individuals can take full advantage of this unique opportunity. For those living in the affected states, this update is more than just good news. It's a chance to improve financial security, ease monthly stress, and enjoy a brighter outlook for the months ahead. For viewers wondering what actions to take right now, the best steps are simple. Check your Social Security account, confirm the exact increase, and verify whether your state is on the list for the stimulus alert. Once this is confirmed, take a moment to plan how you want to allocate the funds. Cover essential bills first, then consider paying off debt, saving for emergencies, or investing in long-term financial goals. By approaching this update strategically, recipients can maximize the benefits and ensure that the impact lasts beyond just a single month. This October 3rd update is also a sign of the government's efforts to support Americans who rely heavily on Social Security. The targeted approach for 10 states highlights where additional financial support is most needed, and the coordinated release of a stimulus check shows a commitment to providing timely relief. For recipients, this means not just a one-time increase, but a thoughtfully designed opportunity to improve financial stability. It is a reminder that staying informed and proactive about Social Security updates can have tangible benefits for one's financial life. In the coming weeks, financial experts predict that millions of Americans will see a tangible difference in their budgets thanks to this update. Whether it is seniors, retirees, or working families, the combination of Social Security increases and stimulus checks can create meaningful financial breathing room. For some, it may be the relief needed to cover healthcare costs, while for others, it could be the chance to catch up on bills, reduce debt, or even save for future needs. The October 3rd update is a reminder that careful planning and awareness can turn government benefits into real-life improvements in financial well-being. In summary, the October 3rd, 2025 update is a rare opportunity for Social Security recipients, particularly in the 10 highlighted states, to receive both a payment increase and a stimulus check. The impact is immediate, tangible, and significant, offering recipients the ability to manage bills, reduce financial stress, and plan for the future. Staying proactive, confirming eligibility, and strategically allocating the extra funds will ensure that this update has the maximum benefit. For millions of Americans, this October 3rd update is not just news. It is a real chance to enhance financial security and enjoy peace of mind during a time of rising costs,